Pharmaceutical industry finds its presence amidst a noble idea, that of saving mankind from life-threatening diseases and helping them have access to better quality drugs. Intending to serve the same need, Lupin was founded in 1968 by Dr. Deshbandhu Gupta, who dreamt to manufacture drugs of the highest social priority. Today, growth, innovation, execution are a few words that resonate with Lupin the best. Deriving its name from the flower Lupin, which is known to nourish the soil in which it grows. Embedded in Lupin is the same philosophy, where we enrich every life that is associated with us, full of pride on belonging to an industry that makes a difference in the lives of people. Lupin was founded with an investment of just around Rs 5,000 or less than $100. Today, Lupin boasts of increasing revenue and aims to touch $5 billion on completion of 50 years of its existence. The unprecedented growth of Lupin can be attributed to its spirit and values, ones Lupinites live by. Deep-rooted within is the spirit, integrity, passion for excellence, teamwork, respect and care, entrepreneurial spirit, and customer focus. Inspired by the vision of being an innovation-led, transnational pharmaceutical company, Lupin is built on the foundation of world-class manufacturing facilities, a truly global supply chain, and cutting-edge research. Now let's explore our manufacturing facilities in India. First formulation unit at Aurangabad, which was set up in 1979. One of our earliest API plants was set up in 1982 at Ankaleshwar, a bulk and dosages production plant at Mandideep. Fermentation plant at Tarapur was established in the year 1992. A 17-acre formulation unit in Goa was set up in the year 2003 to meet our increasing global demand for our products. A facility for finished dosages in Jammu was established in 2006 to cater to domestic market. Plant at Dabhasa, which specializes in manufacturing of APIs, became a part of Lupin in the year 2007. A manufacturing facility at Pithampur was set up to consolidate our global presence in the year 2008. A new plant catering to advanced markets at Nagpur was established in August 2013. Our manufacturing facilities in India are further expanding to different locations, catering to different specialties in terms of production. Besides India, we have our manufacturing facilities in Japan, US, Russia, Mexico and Brazil. Boasting of a global manufacturing footprint, Lupin's products are today available in more than 100 countries. With an investment excess of 8.5% of our revenues in research, Lupin keeps innovation and research at the heart of everything it does. Lupin is equipped with world-class research facilities at Pune and Aurangabad in India, Sanda, Japan, and Coral Island, Florida in the US, where over 1,600 research scientists work to create and deliver quality products and platforms that fuel our business aspirations. Biotechnology is a very important segment for Lupin, and that explains increased focus in the recent years. Our portfolio herein is constantly expanding and is poised to fuel Lupin's growth plans. Lupin has its presence across the globe, led by the US. The United States is Lupin's largest market and continues to be the principal growth engine for the company. Japan, being the second largest pharmaceutical market in the world, also forms an integral part of Lupin's business, followed by Middle East, Europe and the others. Furthermore, India, where it all started, is still a critical part of Lupin's ambitious growth plans and contributes around 24% to the company's revenues. Being one of the top 10 players in the domestic market, Lupin operates in multiple therapeutic areas under umbrella of various business divisions. As Lupin gets to the target of $5 billion, the India region formulation plans to hit the target of $1 billion in sales by 2018. Across the globe, Lupin has been constantly fine-tuning its product portfolio by adding innovative new products. Lupin believes in both organic and inorganic growth. We made our first acquisition in 2007, starting with Vadodara-based Lupin Laboratories. In the same year, Lupin also acquired Kyowa Pharmaceutical Industry Company Limited, a leading generic company in Japan. 2008 made way for acquisition of Hormosen Pharma, a generic company in Germany that specializes in products for central nervous system. Generic Health in Australia was also acquired in 2008 and has competency in niche, low-cost business model. Pharma Dynamics in South Africa was acquired in the same year. Acquisition of majority stake in Multicare Pharmaceuticals, Philippines happened in the year 2009. Multicare has a significant presence in prescription, OTC, and nutrition and wellness drugs. Lupin also went on to acquire iRom Pharmaceuticals through its Japanese subsidiary in 2011 to consolidate its presence in the Japanese market. Acquisition of Laboratories Grin Mexico in 2014 marked Lupin's foray into development, manufacturing, and commercialization of branded ophthalmic products, while acquisition of Nanomi BV in 2014 introduced Lupin to its patented technology platforms that would help develop products in the complex injectable space. We continued the acquisition spree in 2015 by acquiring Medquimica in Brazil, which gave access to growing Brazilian market, Biocom in Russia, specialty product portfolio of Temler Pharma in Germany, and Gavis Pharma in New Jersey, US. Gavis has given further access to US generics markets by significantly enhancing near-term pipeline and R&D, also solidifying company's financial profile. These acquisitions has strengthened Lupin's offerings and are contributing to its growth. With fundamentals in place, Lupin's road ahead is promising with marked presence in therapy segments like cardiovascular, diabetology, asthma, pediatric, CNS, GI, anti-infective, and NSAID therapy segments. Lupin now targets to enter into segments like derma, oral contraceptives, and oncology. Plans are to extend Lupin's presence to more therapy segments in the coming years. True to its name derived from the flower lupine, Lupin believes in empowering the people who work for and around it. In 1988, the Lupin Human Welfare and Research Foundation vowed to ensure that we uplift families living below the poverty line in our rural hinterland. Today, LHWRF reaches out to 2.8 million people living in around 3,500 villages and does some commendable work in the areas of agriculture development, livestock development, skill development, leadership development, healthcare services, education, and infrastructure development. As for the Lupinites, we believe that the growth of our employees is the growth of our company. With a culturally diverse team of over 15,000 employees across various geographies, Lupin has established itself as one of India's best places to work in the biotech and pharma sector consistently over the years. Various HR initiatives is at the heart of our people development strategy. With thought through interventions for employees at every level, Lupin provides a great platform for our employees to learn, contribute, and grow. The company believes that grooming young talent into leaders of tomorrow is an ongoing process. In its endeavor to create a reservoir of leaders, Lupin has designed exclusive learning programs that cater to an employee's developmental needs that arises at various stages of an employee's career. Continuous employee development is viewed as a basic business input and is treated on par with investment in technology, research, and manufacturing. constant employee engagement initiatives with employees has been of mutual benefit and led Lupin to win many prestigious awards as well. Lupin is more than a company. It's a partnership that believes in investing in its people, processes, technology and systems. An investment that will help us envision a new Lupin, replete with differentiated products and strong market presence, innovating and evolving every step of the way. With a strong leadership, Lupin is committed to becoming a world-class research-driven, quality specialty and generics powerhouse second to none. That for us is the Lupin of tomorrow. Welcome to the world of Lupin.